Hey guys, just got back from the mother-in-law's, and the FJ is making a really kind of a whining noise. It's been doing it the whole ride there. It happens every time. I don't know if it's a gravel road when we're leaving or what it is. You can't hear it out here in the engine bay though. But if I like open the door here,
you know, and it just really bothers me that you don't even care about how it makes me feel.
See, you hear it, but then it's not outside.
She said that my feelings matter too, and
I have no clue where this is going from. If you guys have any advice, just give me a shout. Thank you.